Let's create the update endpoint to update the song. This time the HTTP verb should be put and my controller action is update. Let's create the controller action inside the song controller, request and response. I also need to use try catch. Let me copy the catch. I also need a schema. I'm going to copy the schema from the create method. I also need to handle this logic. I'm going to paste it here. This time each property is optional. User can update the title, user can update the URL. It depends on the user. I also need to set it optional, so everything is good. I need to write the name of the method update. Now I need to use the method find one and update. It will give me the updated song. Song dot find one and update. I would like to update the song by ID. The first argument is criteria object and the second argument is my value record to update, and the third argument I would like to tell MongoDB I want to see updated record in the response. So I did not get the IDs, so I need to get the ID here. I'm going to use destructuring to get the ID, request.params. I got the ID. Now we need to send the updated song in the response. If there is a no song, then we need to send the 404 error. I'm going to copy the same error from here and paste it here. If everything is good, then we need to send the updated song in the response. I'm going to call the song. Let's find all the songs. Let's say I would like to update the name of this song. I want to update the animals to something else. I'm going to copy the ID. I'm going to provide the ID here. This time the HTTP action should be put, and we must need to specify the body. Let's say I would like to update the name from animals to Star Wars, whatever. I also want to update the rating. You can also update the URL. Let's do that. A song has updated. Here is a title. Here is a URL. Here is a rating.